Yes, hello, it's Spooky Lake Month where we're doing 31 days of haunted hydrology. And if anybody ever asks me what the ultimate spooky lake is, this is the one I tell them about. On the morning of August 22nd, 1986, 1,746 people were found dead, along with all of their animals and their livestock, near the vicinity of Lake Nyos. Except for the deaths, everything in the area was normal. The grass was green, the skies were clear, and the houses remained undisturbed. Even the restless buzzing of insects had ceased, and the dead lay undisturbed by flies in the light of day. It was a long time after the village had gone quiet that scientists were able to piece together what had happened at Lake Nyos. After an eruption, when a volcano goes dormant, it usually leaves behind a giant crater that eventually will fill with water over time. Many of these crater lakes are quiet and peaceful, but some have a killer secret hidden beneath the surface. Lake Nyos is one such lake, cradled in the belly of an ancient volcano. And it might not look it, but it's almost 700 feet deep. Even if a volcano is dormant, it can still release gases, which usually just mix with the Earth's atmosphere or percolate up from the bottom of a shallow lake to the surface in the form of bubbles. However, in a much deeper lake, those bubbles of gas will dissolve into the water before they ever make it to the surface. The larger the volume of water in the lake means the larger the quantity of carbon dioxide that can be dissolved in the water at the bottom. All of this carbon dioxide gas built up over decades, and kind of like a soda can that's been shaken, Lake Nyos exploded on August 21st, 1986. A massive amount of carbon dioxide would have been released from Lake Nyos almost instantly. This gas is invisible and you can't smell it, and it's heavier than the surrounding air. So it would have flowed silently down the side of the Nyos volcano, moving at around 45 miles per hour. It crept into people's homes while they slept on the floor and silently suffocated them. This type of eruption is called a limnic eruption, and Lake Nyos is not the only crater lake susceptible to this. A similar disaster had occurred just a few years before this at Lake Manoon, killing 37 people. These types of deadly events are incredibly rare, but there might be more lakes on this planet that are hiding a secret stash of carbon dioxide in their depths. But for now, Lake Nyos is the only lake in the world that's killed thousands of living things with a single, silent, invisible breath. 10 out of 10 spookies.